Okay. So in the before 2 days session, we were studying about the present tense, past tense, and now we are going to learn about the future tense. What are the future tense and what are their types and where it is used. So here we are starting our future tense with the future indefinite form. Future tense is divided into four types, that is future indefinite form, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, and future perfect continuous tense. So as the same is in the present tense, past tense, we already discussed about the sentence form, that is in the form of SVOC form, that is subject plus verb plus object plus complement. This is our normal assertive form. If you remember, there are four sentence form, that is assertive form, then negative assertive form, then again interrogative form, and interrogative negative form. So today I'm not getting that sentence again. So you have to just remember all that form that we have already discussed in before two session. So yes, the future indefinite form, the sentence form is subject plus shall or will plus verb first form plus object plus complement. Here you all know the verb first form is, that is where we can take some example, that is go, went, gone, going. So here our V1 is go, went is our V2, gone is our V3, and going is our V4. So you should all verb form, you should remember all this form because it will be used in all tenses. So before you want to move to tense, you have to remember this verb form. So for the future indefinite form, here are some example, that is he will play football. So here our subject is he, and we are using will as a helping verb, and play is our verb first form, and football is our object. So here our sentence make this, he will play football, वो football खेलेगा. For the another pronouns, that is I, we, you, he, she, it, they, it will be I will, you will, he will, she will, it will, they will. We can use also shall with the we and I, but normally we are using will in our future tense because shall is normally not used in our sentence because it only works as a modal auxiliary, but we can use in it is in our sentence. So you have to remember that we can use shall only with the I and we. So the second example is she will eat an apple. This is the same as like first, वो apple खाएगी. Then we move towards our second types of future tense, that is future continuous tense. The same as like the sentence form we have to discuss here. Our sentence form for the future continuous tense, this is subject plus shall be or will be plus V4 form of the verb, that will be our ing form of the verb, plus object plus complement. Here here are some example, that is he will be playing football and she will be eating an apple. So here is our third type of future tense, that is future perfect tense. The sentence form is subject plus shall have or will have plus V3 form of the verb plus object plus complement. Here is the same example, that is I will have played football. Here our subject is I, and our helping verb with verb, that is our whole verb, that is will have played, or and our object is football. And our second example is she will have an apple. So this is the second example of future perfect tense.
Okay, okay,
And
Subhangi, just move the previous slide. Can you tell me what will be Hindi meaning of that? I will have played football. Means मैं
okay,
फुटबॉल खेल चुका हूँगा या something like.
okay, मैं फुटबॉल खेल चुका हूँगा. Just like the past perfect tense, present perfect tense, the action is done, but in the present tense, you should remember that the action is recently done, and in the past tense, the action is done before the any action, and in this sentence, the action is done in the future, will be done in the future. That we have to tell someone that I will be completed that action in the future. Then we have to use future perfect tense in our sentence. So I will be discuss this in the another slide. I have this slide. So we have to move future perfect continuous tense. That is our sentence form is subject plus shall have, will have, plus been, plus since, for. So everyone knows that where we are using since or for, or I should repeat this again. Should I repeat?
Okay, okay, this is okay.
Okay, na? So here our example is I will have been playing football since morning. So here you know that we have to only remember say, then uh, we have to know that where we have to use future perfect continuous tense and where we have to use future perfect tense. There is many confusion in between the future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tense because uh okay. So I will be tell this is our clearly explanation of this simple future, future continuous, and future perfect and future perfect continuous tense. Because if we talk about this sentence form, and we have to identify the tenses from this sentence. This is all okay for the student who are learning, who are the student, that will be okay for them. But if you want to speak fluent English, if you want to convert your sentence in the English, then you have to know that what are the uses of them and where we have to use all these tenses. So you have to know where you should use simple future, where you should future continuous, where you should use future perfect, and for the future perfect continuous tense. So for this simple future, the action will be start in the future and end in the future. That is, I will cook food today. मैं मैं आज food means मैं आज food बनाऊंगी. So here the action is start and end in the future. You just tell that मैं बनाऊंगी. And for the future continuous tense, you have to tell about the interruption. That is, here I mentioned two example. That is, I will be cooking food today around 6 p.m. मैं 6 के आसपास कुकिंग कर रही होंगी. So here the same meaning at uh, as mentioned in the third example. That is, I will be cooking today around 6 p.m. if you ring me. Means if you want to tell someone, that is, if you are calling me in this time, if you are uh, called me in this time, if you are ring me in this time, then I am busy in something to do in the future. So here you should use future continuous tense in your sentence. That is the interruption. You have to use future continuous tense in your sentence. That also here, or tell someone busy, that you are busy in that time. So here you can use future continuous tense in your sentence. So for the future perfect continuous tense, that you expect that the action will be finished in the future. So I will have cooked food today around 6:30 p.m. That is, मैं कर चुकी होंगी, मैं food बना चुकी होंगी. So here you expect that you will be finished that work on time. So here you are using future perfect tense in your sentence. So the same meaning is I already tell you in the future continuous, same as like in the future perfect. The sentence meaning is the same as the first one, but here the sentence is described in the described form. That is, I will have cooked food today around 6:30 p.m. You can call me after this. That you are suggest someone that you can call after this when I finished my that work on time. So here you are just expect that you will finish that work in the future. So for the future perfect continuous tense, this will be the process is this tense is described about the process which will be continuous in the future tense. That is, मैं इस इतने बजे से इतने बजे तक ये कर रही होगी, कर रही हूँ, कर रहूंगी. Sorry for that, I'm not good in Hindi. So मैं कर रही हूँ, कर रही होगी. So please, can anyone help me to convert this sentence in Hindi?
Which sentence?
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Yes, future perfect continuous tense. I will
ओके ओके.
have been.
आई थिंक हमारे खाने से पहले हम खाना बना चुकी हूँ. मैं खाना बना चुकी होंगी. नहीं,
Okay.
हमारे खाने से 1.5 घंटे
आधे
पहले मैं.
घंटे पहले.
हाँ, आधे घंटे पहले मैं खाना बना चुकी होंगी.
Yes, it is right. So this is the continuous process which will be stopped in the specific time, that is half an hour before we eat. So here you can clearly see that here we are using we eat in the future tense. So why we are using here the present tense, that is we eat? Can anyone tell? Please.
यस शिवांगी.
Okay, so in the future perfect continuous tense, here I mentioned the example. In this example, I use that is uh, before we eat. So we eat is our present tense. So why I am using here present tense in my sentence, that is the future tense. I already tell you that that we are using when we are using present tense in our sentence. That is our simple present tense in our sentence.
I think pre-planned future activities.
What? I'm not able to hear you properly.
I think I didn't get your question. I think so. I'm sorry.
Please, you can tell me. If you're wrong, I'm not going to tell. Please.
Yeah, I couldn't get your question. Can you please repeat the question?
Okay. So here, in this sentence, this is our future perfect continuous tense. Here I mentioned that before we eat. So this we eat is our present tense. So why I am using here present tense in my future tense sentence?
Actually, Subhangi, what I know, if there is a two thing in the future, so one is we write in present tense, one is write in future tense. But I have no idea ki which half we write in present tense and which write in future tense. जैसे
Actually,
मैं जाऊंगा
actually,
तो मैं खाऊंगा,
uh,
something like that. मैं जाऊंगा तो मैं खाऊंगा. So in this, I think one should be in future, one should be in present.
no.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm telling you that is in this sentence I will have been cooking food today for an half an hour before we eat. Here before we eat, that is our habit. And for the present tense, here I mentioned in the present tense, when we have to talk about the our habit, routine, universal topic, then we are using present tense in our sentence. Means the Hindi meaning of this, that is means मैं हाफ एन आवर से पहले हाफ एन आवर से खाना बना रही होंगी जिस टाइम बिफोर वी ईट मीन्स जिस टाइम से पहले okay just wait, that is I will have been cooking food today for an half an hour before we eat. Means here we are talking about we eat, it is our routine time that we are getting dinner on that time every day. So here so for that here I use we eat because I want to describe that situation uh, we do eat every day in that time. Got this?
Yes, yes.
This is our day, this is our daily routine. So here we are using present tense. Just forget all thing. This is our routine. We want to talk on the routine, so we are using here present tense, which we do normally in every day.
Okay.
Yeah, Subhagi, I have a doubt here.
Okay,
Can you differentiate the sentences, two sentences?
which
The
means
first one is I will have been cooking food today for half an hour before we eat. That is the first one.
yes.
Second one is future progressive. I will be cooking food today for half an hour before we eat. What is the difference we have?
Okay, so in the first sentence, our sentence is future perfect continuous tense, and the second sentence is future continuous tense. Yes. Yes.
Yeah, yes, of
Yes, yes,
course,
yes,
right.
yes.
Okay. So here in the future perfect continuous tense, the process is same in the future continuous tense. That is, our process is continuous, and in the future continuous tense also our process is continuous. But in the future perfect continuous tense, we have to describe the whole process. That means I want to tell in Hindi, that is मैं इतने बजे से इतने बजे तक कर रही थी. You want to describe the whole process. But in this second example, you want to just tell that you continuously doing uh, that process in the future continuous tense. That is, I will I will be cooking food today. So here मैं आज खाना बना रही होंगी. This is our future continuous tense. And future perfect continuous tense, that is मैं इतने बजे से इतने बजे तक मैं इतने बजे से खाना बना रही होंगी, just like that. You have to describe the whole process in the future perfect continuous tense, and in the future continuous tense, you just want to describe the process that is continuously doing. Got it?
I think this is same
No,
as
sir, I am not getting it, sir. Ma'am, sorry.
actually,
Okay.
Can you explain it again?
Actually, this is not.
Actually, Subhangi, just I want to say here something. I think present continuous tense and present perfect continuous both are same. Only difference is that here we are using since and for, because here you are mentioned for. Because
Yes,
when
yes,
I remember the example of present continuous tense means I am going. I know otherwise I have been going for 2 hours, 3 hours. So I think only difference is that both are similar way. In future perfect we can say कि yes your work is finished means मैं खाना बना चुकी हूँगी, और in future continuous tense मैं खाना बना रही हूँगी. So there are two things in this. मैं खाना बना चुकी हूँगी मैं already मतलब आपका वर्क कंप्लीट हो चुका है, बट इन फ्यूचर मैं खाना बना रही हूँगी मीन्स योर वर्क इज इन कंटिन्यूअस इन प्रोग्रेस, बट हियर योर वर्क इज कंप्लीटेड. बिकॉज व्हेन आई रिमेंबर प्रेजेंट टेंस प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस मीन्स मैं जा रहा हूँ, और सेकेंड वर्स मैं 2 घंटे से पढ़ रहा हूँ मीन्स आई हैव बीन स्टडिंग for 2 hours. So same is here also, because here you are using for and since. Maybe this is my perception
yes,
what I
yes.
am getting. Okay,
Yes, it is right.
Beneath, if you
Yes,
have
it is
any
right.
doubt, any clarification, so you can give. There is no issue.
Yes, yes, of course, because I am also the learner and I
Sir,
can be.
actually, I am not getting the future perfect continuous tense. That's why I'm asking it. But the future perfect, I got the future perfect, but I am not getting the future perfect continuous.
Okay, so you are the new student, so there is a no problem in that, because we have already discussed about the perfect continuous tense. This is the rule for the future perfect, means perfect continuous tense. We have to just got the two words, that is since and for, and I already tell the difference between the uses of the since and for. So yes, it is possible that you just confused in this. So I repeat
Okay,
this
okay,
again.
sir. Now I get it. Sir, now I get it. But okay. Now I get it.
Can I add one point here?
Yes,
Yes, yes,
Mohan.
of
Yes, Mohan.
course.
Yeah. Uh, as far as I am concerned, future progressive tense, so future continuous is meant for expressing some action that will be continuous in future.
Yes,
The difference between future continuous and future perfect continuous is when we consider future perfect continuous tense, the action will be in progress, normal than usual. For example, the child will have been crying for 3 hours.
yes,
Yeah, that is normal than usual. In certain situations, for 3 hours and since morning, the child has been crying inside the home since morning uh, for 2 or 3 hours, normal than usual. In that case, we can use future perfect continuous.
Okay, Beneath, just I
yes,
want
yes,
to mention one thing here. Actually, all are we are just group members. So actually, we assign some topic. Suppose Beneath you are interested to take a session on any topic, so you can take. So basically, Subhangi is also a group member. She is not teacher, but she is trying to convey their message to us. Okay, how we can use
Okay, sir.
yeah.
Okay.
So if
Yeah,
you want to take
this
any
is my
session,
idea. So
yes,
if
Mohan.
I'm wrong, kindly let me.
No, Mohan, you are right. So, Beneath, if you are interested to taking any session, so you can just convey your message to us. Yes, I am interested to take session on this topic. So you
Yes, sir.
can take it.
Yes, sir. I'm interested.
Actually, we are
Please give
following
me
this
any.
concept only to build up some confidence, so we can at least speak. We can, convey our message. So this is going on. Maybe next week you can see कि Mohan Bhai is taking class, or you are taking class. So Okay, so just we are trying to improve ourselves by plan such activity. So we are not teacher here, just trying to learn. Okay, so don't mind because she is new, so there is no
Yeah.
issue.
No, sir, no, sir. No problem.
Actually, sir, my attention was not that to. Actually, I'm just asking that how the future perfect.
No,
matlab,
no, no, no,
what is
you are
future
right.
perfect
No,
continuous?
no, I am not saying anything. You are right.
Yeah. Yeah.
Actually, you are saying
Please,
again
Actually,
sir,
again,
if
I.
sir, 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 sir. That's why I'm saying.
Okay,
hello,
okay, okay.
Yes,
Sir.
yes, Subhangi.
hello.
Yes, Subhangi.
Yes,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I want to request you to all that if I'm getting any mistakes in my PPT and all, so you can clearly tell me in the group and also in this session and also tell me personally that I can make again I can make good session and good PPT in the another session. So here all for my improvement. So please support me to tell my mistakes. I will never be regret. So please don't be feel that I am asking to you that it will be bad feeling.
No, no,
So yes, you can
Subhangi, that is going
me.
fine. There is no issue. This is going
No,
fine.
no, no.
Yes.
You did
Okay.
really well. You did really well, Shyam.
Okay, so here I want to tell you all that is after this session for the future tense, we are taking another session that is the revision of all these tenses. I will be going to take some Hindi example in that situation. You want to convert that sentence in the different tenses, that is present tense, future tense, and past tense. So it will be easy to recognize that which will be sentence we have to use uh, in the our daily speaking English. So you will got this all in that session. So if anyone have any query, then you have to note down these all queries. We will take these queries in the another session that will be in the Tuesday, sir.
No, if you are ready, then we can plan on Friday also. There is no issue. If you are ready,
Okay,
then.
okay.
Otherwise,
Yes, yes, we will take the query session, question answer session. That in this session, the another people should also ready for the answering that question and also asking question to the another learner that can be useful for the discussion of the all tenses, and you have to all describe the one on one tenses, that is present tense, past tense, future tense, all sentence form. Then I will be okay with it. So you have to just prepare for that session. So here we are continue our session. Can we?
yes, yes.
Yes.
Okay.
So, Bangi, we have 5 minutes. So, try to complete within 5 minutes. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
It is completed, but just we have some example.
Hmm.
So just like in the past, in the present tense, we have some example. You have to tell which are the tenses here. In the first, uh, just take your just you should tell this. You should tell that which these tenses are. That is, I will go to the beach next Sunday. Which will be the tense?
Future
Simple
indefinite,
future.
simple future tense.
Yes. What will be the
Simple
next?
future.
Yes, yes.
What will be the next?
She will have been means
Future perfect continuous.
yes, yes. Good, good.
Yes. Again, third. Please try
Uh,
to.
Future continuous.
Future continuous.
Yes, it is future continuous. So here is our sentence. That is, the little boy fed the fish in the pond.
Simple future.
No, no,
But
this
it's
is
not a
not
future tense.
no future. This is
Yeah, it's
present.
a past tense. It's a past.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
past,
it is
past,
Simple
simple.
past.
Past.
simple past tense.
Simple
Yes,
past tense.
it
Simple
is simple
past.
past tense. So how can we convert this sentence in the simple future tense?
The little boy
By
will feed the fish in the pond.
Will feed
Yes,
the fish in the
yes.
pond. Huh?
will feed. That is our feed. You have to know that all the verb form that is feed, fed, feeding. Okay,
Yes, yes.
Okay.
so verb all form. Then the second one is
Future
Future
perfect.
perfect.
Future perfect.
yes. Again,
Present
Mm.
simple.
Present, simple present.
yes. So you should convert this in the simple future.
He will works in this hotel as a chief.
Whenever you will see the sentence is in the past tense, present tense, you should convert this sentence in the future tense. Okay.
He will work. Okay.
Yes. This.
I will have been taking. Will have been taking.
Future perfect continuous.
Continuous.
Yes.
Not okay, okay. I will have been. Okay.
Will have.
Okay, okay. This is
Again.
future
It is.
perfect.
Future perfect.
Yes. It is future perfect and
Simple
Present.
continuous.
Present continuous.
yes, present continuous. So what will be the future continuous?
The teacher
The
will
teacher
be.
will be delivering the lecture.
Yes.
Will be delivering the lecture.
Here our verb is will have completed.
Past perfect.
No.
Will have.
It's
Future
past.
perfect.
Will have
Future
completed.
perfect.
Sorry. Future perfect. Oh my god.
Yes.
Sorry.
No issue. Again, second one.
Future continuous.
Future continuous.
Yes. Last one.
I will have
Future
been. This is future
continuous.
perfect
Future
continuous.
perfect continuous.
Future perfect continuous.
Future perfect continuous tense. So yes, it is all our future tense. Thank you so much for attending my class.
Okay. So
So
if anybody have any question regarding, so you can ask because we have 1 minute remaining, so we can
here I
utilize.
mentioned some. As,
Okay, okay.
okay.
Subhangi,
So here I.
we will discuss on Friday this. Okay, because we
Yes,
need some.
yes. I want to tell that what are the I want to tell in the coming class. So upcoming class. So here I tell you that is in the upcoming class I will tell you about the uses of have, has, and shall have, will have. Okay.
Okay, okay,
So you have to also prepare for this.
okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Subhangi. Thank you. Okay, because we have no time. That's why.
Thank you,
Uh,
Shivangi. Thank you so much.
okay, okay. Thank
Thank
you.
you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Swangi, sister.